In this video, we will compare Noteplan versus Agenda. Noteplan is a versatile productivity tool that combines note-taking with task management, calendar integration, and daily planning. It operates on a system inspired by the bullet journal method, allowing users to manage tasks, project tasks, and even schedule events in a streamlined and organized way. One of Noteplan's key strengths is its flexibility. Users can structure their notes in daily or weekly or monthly views and directly link them to specific tasks on their calendar. It is built for individuals who appreciate having a cohesive workflow that merges tasks and notes all in one place. The app also includes Markdown support, enabling rich text formatting, and its very powerful search functionality, allowing for quick reveal of your notes. The overall experience is centered around organizational and productivity, making it ideal for those who want to be efficient. On the other hand, Agenda is a note-taking app that focuses on time-based organization. It excels at helping users structure their notes around specific dates, making it ideal for those tracking long-term projects, meeting notes, and chronological documentation. The core of Agenda's design is the ability to attach notes to individual dates and organize them by project, making it very easy to track over time. This time-centric structure is especially useful for many people who need to review and reference notes on a daily basis or in specific milestones or timelines. While it does not have integrated task management such as Noteplan, Agenda, clean interface and project-oriented organization is seamless and syncs across many devices, making it an excellent choice for users who prioritize long-term organization and ideas. It's a great option for those looking for an elegant and intuitive way to manage and review their notes. In conclusion, Noteplan is the best for users who need a system that is more dynamic and task-oriented. In contrast, Agenda is perfect for individuals who want to keep a time-focused note-taking experience, all chronologicized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.